Okay, so for your science assignment today, there's a couple things that I want you to do, so I want you to pay close attention. This is going to be a graded activity, so please make sure that you're reading, watching the videos, and answering everything that needs to be answered. The first thing that you're going to do is watch the textbook How Plants Make Food video. So directly from the Pearson website, I have a video, How Plants Make Food. So you're going to watch that, shouldn't be too long. Then in your textbook, you're going to read page 328. Okay, it's just one page in your book that you're going to read, and you're going to be learning about the Arctic's Global Seed Vault. So what I did was I attached a second video for you to watch, a 5-minute video exploring the Arctic's Global Seed Vault to give you a little bit further information for pages 328. So watch that video as well. Then what you're going to do is you're going to read the attached passage on the Svalbard Arctic Seed Vault. You're going to complete the vocabulary matching and the fill in the blank. There's a few ways that you can do this. You can download and use Kami or another type of software or app or something to write directly onto the PDF. That's one way. You can print it, handwrite it, and then attach photos like you usually do for your assignments. Or you can type the answers on a separate Google Doc. You don't need to type the questions down. I just need numbers and I need answers for that would be fine. For the fill in the blank, I did give you a word bank because they did not give you one on the attachment. So here is your word bank right here: genetic diversity, roll of the dice, biodiversity, vacuum pact, seed bank, vault, catastrophe, isolated, varieties, and facility. Okay, this is going to be counted as a quiz, and here's the PDF here at the bottom. So there's a couple questions that you could think about at the beginning. You don't have to type answers to those. Here's your reading section. Okay, you're going to read about cold storage, ocean fertilization, a library of biodiversity, and then here's the assignment that you're going to get to. We have matching, so using the words on the left, match them to their real definitions. Okay, so again, if you're doing this on a Google Doc, you could just write number 1 and then the letter of the answer, number 2 and the letter of the answer, and so on. You don't need to write all of this out again. If you're doing it and you're printing it out and handwriting it, you can write the letter right next to the number over here. So right to the left of the number, you can write just the letter, okay? So those are your vocab matching, and then if you scroll down a little bit further, we have vocabulary gap fill, which again, your word bank I did list on the assignment, so you're just going to be filling in the answer here. You can either write it directly on the PDF, you can handwrite it if you print it, or if you're doing a Google Doc, you could just type number 1 and the answer, number 2 and the answer, etc. Okay? So make sure that you do the reading first and answer these 20 questions. If you have any questions, let me know.